This is Kina Knisley with Keller Williams Honolulu, and we are in Kailua today with American Dream TV. Kailua means the two seas. It references the two historic fishing ponds that used to be in the area. We are in Keolu Hills today, which is a wonderful community. It's for people who live, work, and play here in Kailua. We are a mile from the beach, 2 miles from Kailua town, where you can find Whole Foods, Thai restaurants, Indian restaurants, Maui Brewing Company, great wine bars, and a gym. So we are gonna go take a look at this fabulous 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-bedroom, 1-bath rental underneath. So let's go take a look. So here we are inside the 3-2. As you know, I specialize with investors. So this is a fix and flip. I help the investor find the property below market value. They're fixing it up, and you will see this on the market in 2 or 3 months. So this is going to be the amazing kitchen with a living area. This is 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths with an office space. The finishes will be amazing. You'll have an accent wall, granite countertops, brand new appliances, brand new fixtures. It is going to be totally incredible. And downstairs, we have a 2-bedroom, 1-bath rental with lots of parking, including a carport. This will be an incredible home. Then we have this amazing space for entertaining, gardening, tons of garden space. If you want to grow some tomatoes, carrots, anything, just check it out. Plus, you've got the amazing views of the Kailua Mountains, and you are super close to Manoa Chocolate Factory, and that's where we are headed next, because I know the American dream is chocolate. We are at Manoa Chocolate Factory. Today I have Gracie Thacker here to share the story of Manoa Chocolate Factory.
Woohoo!
Yes,
thank you for coming.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Absolutely.
So how did this all start?
So this company has been in business for about 10 years. We are a local Hawaiian chocolate maker. We're a bean-to-bar company, which means that we source cocoa from farms all around the world and then make fine chocolate. What makes this shop really special is that Hawaii is actually the only state in the US that has the climate to grow the chocolate tree. So we get to work with a lot of local farms and really see the industry progress here in Hawaii.
So, wow. So yes, it is amazing. It smells fantastic. So let's go ahead and go inside and take a look at everything you guys have to offer.
Sounds good, let's do it. So this is our factory and our tasting room. This is where you can come in any day of the week and do a tasting of chocolate. We also sample our chocolate tea. This is where you can see the chocolate makers at work. It's really a fantastic space to learn more about the industry.
Wow, so you have a chocolate tea. I have never heard of that.
We do. It's actually one of our most popular products. So just a quick overview of how chocolate's made. Basically, cacao or chocolate comes from a tropical fruit that hangs on a tropical fruit tree. The beans themselves are technically seeds. They go through a fermentation process and a drying out on the farms. And then from there, the first thing that we do here at the factory is we roast the cocoa beans. So that's actually what our production team is currently working on just behind us. Once they're roasted, they become very brittle. You can just break them open. They divide up into a couple of different pieces here. We've got what's called the inside nib. This is going to get grinded down and turned into chocolate. And then the shell we actually use to make one of our most popular products, which is our chocolate tea. But it's really exquisite. It's going to taste like hot cocoa, but the flavor is more like an herbal tea, so it's nice and light.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm definitely going to have to try some of that.
It's a lot of fun.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much
Absolutely,
for having us.
absolutely.
This has been
Thank you for
incredible.
thinking of us, and thanks for coming in.
Yes. All right. I'm going to go try some chocolate.
All right.
All right. Thanks. Thank you so much for joining us on American Dream TV Hawaii, and we will see you in a couple of weeks.